Hi everyone, welcome. Oh, looks like Buddy the bot is having some trouble with its emotion. Don't worry, Buddy, we can fix that. We are going to teach you all about special emotion words called interjections. Interjections are short words or sounds we use to show a sudden feeling like surprise, happiness, or sadness. They often stand on their own and are usually followed by an exclamation mark. I think Buddy is confused. Let's elaborate it. Let's look at our first emotion. Kids, how do you feel when you win a prize or score a good marks?
Yippee! I won the race.
That's right. Yippee is a happy interjection. Other happy words are yay and hooray. Emotion found, joy, yippee. Great job, Buddy. Now, what about a different feeling?
Oops, I dropped it.
No. Oops is the word you say when you make a little mistake. We can also say, oh, emotion found, surprise, oops. Exactly. How about when you touch something that is too hot?
Ouch, that's hot.
Ouch is a word you say when you feel pain. Another similar one is oh. Emotion found, pain, ouch. You have got it. Now for an easy one, when you want to get someone's attention, what do you say?
Hey, what are you doing?
That's right. A is a greeting. You can also say hello. Emotion found, greeting, hello. One more. How do you feel when something is super gross?
Ew, what is that?
Ew is the perfect word for when something is yucky. Another one is yuck. Emotion found, disgust, ew. Wow, Buddy, look at you. You have learned so many emotion words. And that's all. Next time you want to show a feeling, quickly remember your interjection.